Hello everyone, and this is another Thomas Woon Railway review on Patrick, the concrete truck. Patrick is painted maroon right here, and he's mostly made of plastic. But this part right here is wood, where the 23 is. And the face, it's an okay face, I guess. I think his character is being a show off. Yeah, this part here moves just so he could go on roads properly on the wooden ones. This is what it looks like at the back. So this part here spins. That's really good, and I like the color, like for example on the wheels and this thing on the mixer. It's nice. It says Patrick here at the bottom, and I don't know what this means. The code, yeah, and this one, and I don't know why they had to put a magnet there. I mean, he's not even a train. He's a road vehicle. He goes on roads, not tracks. So guys, thank you for watching.